Mastering the art of referencing in project report writing. Referencing in project report writing is crucial as it showcases respect for the original author's work and helps to avoid plagiarism. It allows readers to locate the original sources of information and verify the facts presented. It also enhances the credibility and authenticity of your report, reflecting a responsible and ethical approach towards research. To enrich your report with relevant and authoritative sources, it is essential to carry out comprehensive research. This involves exploring books, academic journals, credible websites, and other resources related to your topic. A thorough investigation into these sources will provide you with diverse perspectives and in-depth knowledge about your subject matter. There are several referencing styles available, each with their unique rules and formats. Some of the prominent styles include the American Psychological Association, APA, Modern Language Association, MLA, Chicago, and Harvard styles. Understanding these styles is crucial to ensure your citations align with your institution's or publication's requirements. Choosing the right referencing style is a critical aspect of project report writing. The selection often depends on the guidelines provided by your institution or the nature of your project. Familiarizing yourself with different referencing styles helps you pick the one that best suits your project's needs. When citing books in your project report, it is essential to include specific details. These include the author's name, the title of the book, the edition if it's not the first, and the publishing details. This information helps readers to easily locate the source material for further reading or verification. Understanding how to cite journal articles is key to effective referencing. Information like the author, title, publication year, journal name, volume, issue number, and page numbers must be included. This ensures that readers can easily find the original source of information. Similarly, citing websites is crucial, particularly in this digital age where a lot of research is conducted online. The URL and access date are two fundamental elements to include when citing a website, as this allows the readers to trace back the information to its online source. Don't forget about visual materials like images, graphs, and videos. These require special attention when referencing, particularly those sourced from the internet. The original creator, website, and date accessed are some of the details to include in the citation. Referencing also extends to social media platforms, where a lot of valuable information can be found. When citing a post from platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, ensure to include the author, date of post, and URL. Finally, understanding the difference between direct and indirect quotations is essential. Direct quotes are word-for-word reproductions of a source and require quotation marks, whereas indirect quotes paraphrase the original text. Both require appropriate referencing to avoid plagiarism. Integrating in-text citations into your project report is an art that ensures a seamless flow of information. These citations, placed directly within the text, provide a quick reference to the source without disrupting the reader's concentration. They are typically composed of author's name and publication year, enclosed in parentheses, offering an effective way to attribute ideas or quotes to their original source. Crafting a reference list or bibliography at the end of your project report is an integral part of the referencing process. This list serves as a comprehensive collection of all the sources you have cited in the body of your report. It enables readers to locate and explore your sources, lending credibility to your work. It should include complete citation details for every source referenced in your report. How you organize your references can greatly influence the readability of your project report. Presenting references alphabetically by the author's last name is a common and effective method. This systematic arrangement allows for easy navigation and retrieval of source information, serving as a quick guide for readers to validate your citations. When referencing multiple works by the same author, it's crucial to differentiate between them. This can be achieved by including the publication year in the citation. If multiple works were published in the same year, adding a lowercase letter next to the year helps to distinguish them. This ensures each citation accurately points to its corresponding source in the reference list. The final stage of referencing involves meticulous editing and proofreading. This phase is vital for ensuring accuracy and consistency in your citations and reference list. It involves checking each citation against its corresponding reference entry, verifying that all necessary information is included, and correcting any errors in format or punctuation. This detailed review prevents potential misunderstandings and reinforces the credibility of your work. Harnessing the power of reference management software can significantly streamline your referencing process. Various tools like EndNote, Zotero, and Mendeley allow you to store, organize, and format references with ease, reducing manual work and minimizing errors. Incorrect referencing can have severe consequences, including accusations of plagiarism. Plagiarism undermines academic integrity and can damage your reputation. Therefore, it is critical to reference correctly, acknowledging the original authors and their contributions. In conclusion, referencing is an essential aspect of project report writing. It exhibits your respect for original work, prevents plagiarism, and strengthens your arguments. With careful attention to detail, you can master this skill and enhance the credibility of your work.